just into the stream. Like, I would know that I will count the overbills, okay? I'm at 13,700 and my legitimate twist 24. But why did I end in my live stream?
Loda, kau ulit!
Yep, I did rage quit on my live stream. At the end of my stream. Why? Because I hate Marvel right when I am about to beat her at low health, but I didn't! That's why I will not going to play the V-Crisis 1190 Marvel why? Because of my asshole! Okay, when did Kyle get his loudest scream the whole of my room? I'm like, ha 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 ha! You bitch. No, it's going to be age restricted in your own TV page. Ha 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 ha. So, as my loudest scream that I am Kyle baby, I think at one point I'm going to be arrested. Don't go! Pawak naman ng iba pag mabal na ganun ba? Don't say mabal na ganun ba? Else, pusilak sa'yo. Anong pusi? Ay, mapusilak sa'yo. Magkaiba ka man na para may spanan sa'yo. Okay, suit yourself. Next live stream. Next live stream. But, no more V-Crisis. Okay? Ano ba you're going to do? Wodang. That would be better if I do Wodang. I'm like, I will do Wodang next live stream. Tomorrow. Kung tomorrow kay what time makan live stream ka? 12 noon. Speed 1 in every single singing video sa TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, so that's 12 noon. What time will it end? About I'm going to end my live stream if I have 3 singing videos sa TikTok, 1 kuntama sa YouTube, and 10 videos na nakasingin people from the Philippines. Okay, that's your goal. But what about Infield and NTE? Think again. 8 p.m. Okay, then what about Ewoy? Ewoy. Okay, I'm going to do my YouTube short, not my live stream. Ay, di patanggal na nimo title na live stream mo. Yes. So, NTE will be the last day sa Tuesday. Then by Wednesday, I'm going to do the YouTube shorts. I mean, Ewoy. If you didn't get Ewoy, then if I get Ewoy, then I will uninstall never and then on to say ha 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 ha.